Managing cash is the single most important skill for any small business owner. In the next few minutes, you'll learn practical, actionable steps to improve your cash flow, reduce risk, and make smarter financial decisions. First, know your cash position. Reconcile bank accounts weekly, forecast cash flow for at least 90 days, and identify predictable inflows and outflows. A rolling forecast lets you spot shortfalls early and plan solutions before they become crises. Second, accelerate receivables. Invoicing should be prompt and clear. Offer multiple payment options, set payment terms that match your business cycle, and consider incentives for early payment. Use automated reminders and online payment portals to reduce friction and speed collections. Third, manage payables strategically. Take advantage of full payment terms without missing discounts. Prioritize bills by consequence and negotiate with suppliers for better terms when cash is tight. Schedule payments to maintain a steady cash balance and avoid last-minute surprises. Fourth, consider a line of credit for emergencies rather than relying on high-cost borrowing. Fifth, control costs without stifling growth. Regularly review expenses, cut or renegotiate recurring costs, and outsource non-core functions when it saves money. Invest in technologies that automate tasks and deliver measurable returns. Sixth, use pricing strategically. Don't underprice to win business. Understand your break-even point and value proposition and test price increases in small segments before rolling them out widely. Seventh, leverage technology and reporting. Cloud accounting, integrated payment systems, and simple dashboards make it easier to monitor real-time cash metrics. Track key ratios like days sales outstanding, inventory turnover, and operating cash flow. Finally, plan for taxes and seasonality. Set aside tax liabilities monthly and prepare for seasonal swings with a timing plan for hiring, inventory purchases, and promotions. Good cash management is disciplined and proactive. Small changes implemented consistently compound into financial stability. Start today. Reconcile your accounts, build a simple 90-day forecast, and commit to one improvement this week. Your business will thank you. If you need help, consult a trusted accountant or financial advisor. Use simple templates and cash management apps and start with small, consistent habits. Measure progress monthly, communicate changes to your team and vendors, and celebrate milestones. Commit 5 minutes a day to review cash and you'll build lasting resilience.